Hello and welcome to my channel. In this episode we're going to be fitting wind deflectors. It's a fairly easy job. Wind deflectors cost me about 30 euro. Okay, actually was given to me by somebody, but anyway, it has a 3 double-sided pieces of tape in here, okay, and 3 clips like that. Okay, so I'll show you the clips now. Clips has a little spike in here. I don't know if you can see, but you see the spike in here, but that spike goes on inside like that. Okay, so it holds on to, grabs to your it's kind of a suede material in here and around your window, and it holds your wind deflector in place. Okay, so all you have to do, just make sure your window is clean. Okay, all inside is clean. Peel off the sticky top part of the sticky tape. Okay, just like so. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then all you have to do, just put it in like so, bend it a little bit and drive it home, just like that. Okay, so once you're happy with a position, just try to close the window. Okay, so for closed window, just make a little adjustments like so. Okay, so open the window, 3 clips like that, flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I'd say I'm gonna put 1 clip here, 1 clip here, and 1 clip in here somewhere. Okay, so it goes in between your wind deflector and this not velcro but suede material. Yeah, just in here, just in this gap. Okay, just obviously in around here. Okay, spike on inside. One, 2, again spike on inside. 2, and the last but not least 3. Okay, so that's a rock solid now. So close your window and see how it works. Perfect. Open your window, close it again. This is it. Okay, so I'll just show you where the clips are. Here, don't know if you can see, I'll try to point it out for you. 1 in here, 1 in there, so just to recap, 1 in here, 1 in there, and 1 in here. Okay, and it just gives your van a little bit greater look, and most importantly, you can open the window and not to get a lot of splashes inside your van, okay? So guys, thank you ever so much for watching my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you at the next one. Cheers.